Have you ever wondered what happens when a highly anticipated piece of tech completely drops off the radar, only to suddenly return with a massive, game-changing leak? If you're a fan of drones or action cameras, you need to hear this. For months, the drone community was met with total silence regarding the DJI Avata 360. People started to panic. Everyone thought the project was scrapped or severely delayed. But out of nowhere, the floodgates have opened. The silence is broken, and a massive launch window is now confirmed. We're talking about a major release happening as early as March, kicking off in China before hitting the global market. This means the drone you've been waiting for is no longer just a distant prototype sitting on a workbench. It is a fully finished, battle-tested machine ready for the spotlight. Today, we are going completely in-depth on the newly surfaced footage, the retail packaging leaks, the insane 8K camera rumors, and the massive battery upgrades that make this drone an absolute beast. You do not want to buy another drone until you hear exactly what this machine can do. Let us start with the biggest signal that this drone is right around the corner. A highly subtle but crucial leak just hit the internet. It was a low-resolution internal instructional clip. This short video showed exactly how to insert and activate the completely redesigned battery of the Avata 360. Now, the video quality was terrible. It looked like it was filmed on a potato. But the quality does not matter at all. What matters is what this video represents. Companies like DJI only produce these internal tutorial videos when physical hardware is actually circulating among real-world testers. This confirms that final review units are already out in the wild. Right now, your favorite tech reviewers likely have this exact drone sitting on their desks. This leaked tutorial proves that the launch is no longer a theory. The drone is fully operational, adding even more fuel to this massive fire. The official retail packaging has also been revealed online. In these leaked images, we can clearly see the Avata 360 sitting right next to the DJI Goggles 3. This is a huge deal. Side by side, the new drone appears noticeably larger than previous models like the Avata 2. Some people might not like a bigger drone, but this size bump makes perfect sense. This is not just a standard FPV drone anymore. It is a heavy-duty, dual-purpose machine. It functions as an agile FPV drone and a complete 360-degree capture system at the exact same time. Doing both of those tasks perfectly demands way more internal hardware. You need bigger sensors to capture that massive video file. You need much more processing power to stitch the footage together. And most importantly, more power requires a significantly better cooling system. Because of all this new hardware, earlier speculation that this drone might stay under the 250-gram weight limit now looks highly unlikely. DJI is clearly prioritizing maximum capability and raw power over an ultra-lightweight classification. They want this thing to perform like a professional cinema camera. Previous leaks have already revealed a totally redesigned battery system to support this power draw. We are also getting a brand new multi-battery charging hub that can hold 3 batteries at once. The actual shape of the battery appears much flatter and significantly more compact compared to the older Avata 2. This suggests some massive internal efficiency upgrades. Reports are pointing toward vastly improved energy density. This means the drone can hold more power in a smaller space. They have also improved the thermal management. Keeping the battery cool is absolutely vital when your drone is processing heavy 360-degree video in midair. Despite this incredibly heavy imaging workload, the flight time rumors are amazingly positive. You would think a heavy 360 camera would drain the battery in 5 minutes. But leaks suggest the flight time will actually land between 23 and 25 minutes per battery. This perfectly matches the endurance of the previous Avata 2. Getting 25 minutes of aggressive flight time while simultaneously processing 8K 360 video is an absolute engineering miracle. It shows just how far DJI has pushed their battery technology. Now let's talk about the real magic of this drone. Multiple reliable leaks suggest this machine will capture up to 8K 360-degree video. This switchable camera system is going to change everything. Pilots will now have the ability to alternate between a full spherical 360 capture and a traditional forward-facing FPV view. The entire philosophy behind this drone is incredibly simple. You fly first, and you frame your shot later. Think about how hard it used to be. In the past, flying an FPV drone meant you had to be a perfect pilot and a perfect camera operator at the exact same time. If you missed the subject by an inch, the whole shot was ruined. Now, you literally just fly through your environment. You do not have to worry about where the camera is pointing. The massive 360 camera captures absolutely everything in every single direction. Later on, you just sit at your computer or on your phone, and you choose exactly where the camera looks. Because of this entirely new workflow, completely new stabilization algorithms are expected to be built into the drone. Software stabilization will become the absolute backbone of your final cinematic output. Your footage will look incredibly smooth, no matter how crazy you fly. On top of that, leaks point toward the inclusion of the DJI O4 class video transmission system. This confirms the seamless compatibility with the new Goggles 3. You will get crystal clear, ultra-low latency video feed right to your eyes. The pattern here is crystal clear. Months of absolute silence were suddenly followed by retail packaging leaks, tester tutorials, and solid launch timing. The release of the DJI Avata 360 feels truly imminent. It is right around the corner. Here is my best opinion about this incredible new product. I honestly believe the DJI Avata 360 is going to be a massive game changer for the entire industry. By combining a high-quality 360 camera with the insane agility of an FPV drone, DJI has solved the single biggest problem in aerial videography. It completely removes the steep, frustrating learning curve of capturing cinematic FPV shots. By letting the pilot focus purely on flying and not worrying about the camera angle, DJI has opened the door for absolutely everyone to create professional, jaw-dropping videos. You no longer need thousands of hours of practice to get the perfect shot. The integration with the Goggles 3 is totally seamless, giving you the ultimate creative freedom in the sky. This is not just a new drone. This is an entirely new way to film the world. What do you think about this massive leak? Is this the next true evolution of immersive drones? Or do you prefer the old traditional way of flying? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.